What's up, online shoppers? I've got two of my favorites out of my makeup kit. This one here is the Real Techniques Miracle Sponge, and this one here is the Miracle Mini. They are so cute, and they are my favorite go-to sponge for makeup blending. I love to have both of these in my makeup bag, and I love that you can get them in 2-packs, 4-packs, combo packs, mini packs. You've got lots of different options because you want to have a lot of these. Now, I'll say right off the bat, one of the most important things that you can do if you're going to buy these is do a good job of taking care of them. For me, that means cleaning them once a week, and that is what the company Real Techniques does recommend as well. They're made of this really nice, spongy, bouncy, non-latex foam that cleans like a dream and has so many great highlights. Now, the design of these is really great. First of all, let's take a look at this. There's your brand stamp. You know these ones are the real deal. Now, the Real Techniques sponges have some precision design involved here. First of all, they have a flat surface here that's super smooth, and the pores on this sponge are so tiny. It's great for overall even coverage. So going over a large area like that, they work really well for covering a large area like that. As well, you've got this really nice rounded profile here, and this is great for blending in blushes and highlighters and glow illuminators, all those things. And then you've got this precision tip, and this precision tip is great for getting in all the tiny little corners that you don't think this big rounded part of the sponge can get. But there's some even tinier spots that you might want to use these beauty blenders, and this one here, the Mini Miracle, is awesome. It has the same great design with the flat area here for coverage, the rounded area for blending, and then this as the precision tip. Look how tiny that is. It can get into all the little cracks and creases. It's going to do everything that you ask it to do. I love all the fun colors. They truly are a sponge that stands up well. These ones here, they get washed regularly, and what I love about them is they don't retain a lot of product. I rinse them, I squeeze them until the water runs clear, set them to dry, and they look just as great as the day that I bought them. Now, the coverage from these is awesome. It gives you a really nice light to medium coverage. It makes my skin look dewy and natural. It's just amazing, and they are my go-to sponge I reach for all the time. The other great thing about these cute little sponges is that they are going to be multi-purpose. You can use them on liquids, creams, powders. They are vegan and cruelty-free, and they don't have latex in it either, so that will definitely address for any of you who have a latex allergy. What I love too is the coverage is really streak-free, and it's a name that people recognize, and you know the quality is going to be there. If you are looking for a really awesome blender sponge, the Real Techniques Miracle Sponge, either in the regular size or the mini, are awesome, and you should definitely add these to your makeup brush. They're a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.